So today you'll be writing your first CELEL paragraph of the year. While you are watching this video, you should be taking notes on your handout. There are 3 different places where you need to take notes here. Make sure you're pausing the video so that you can write down what you need to. So what is a CELEL paragraph? So you learned about it in Ms. Torres's class if you were here last year, but to some of you, this will be new. You may know that you write CER paragraphs, which means claim, evidence, and reasoning, in your science classes. So the first part of a CELEL paragraph is the claim. So the claim is the position that you're taking in your writing. What is your answer to the guiding question, and do you agree or disagree, and why? So today, your guiding question for your essay is, how similar is our society to the society that's described in the giver? So your answer should include 2 different points of comparison, 2 different ways in which our society and the society in the giver is different. Pause the video now to take notes on your handout for number 1. The next part of a CELEL paragraph is the evidence. It's the quote, and it's the reason why, it's the text evidence that supports your claim. So the evidence is the proof that supports your claim. It's the part of the text that helps you answer the guiding question, and it's the part of the text that helps you support your claim. For your CELEL paragraph today, you'll be using evidence from our ebook, The Giver, which you can access on the digital agenda and the digital agenda page. Pause the video now to finish taking notes for number 2. Make sure that when you are using evidence that you're applying your knowledge of how to correctly use quotation marks. Today you'll learn how to use quotation marks or review how to use them in Independent Station B. The third part of a CELEL paragraph is a link. It's the reason why your evidence matters. The link explains how or why the evidence supports your claim. It explains why you chose the evidence, how your quote helps your claim answer the guiding question, what words are important in the quote, and why you need to pay attention to those words. The link is the most important part of a CELEL paragraph. Your link should always be several sentences long, more than 1 sentence. Pause the video now to finish taking notes on your handout. And remember that today in class, we'll only write the claim and the 2 pieces of evidence for your CELEL paragraph. You must finish the links for your CELEL paragraph for homework. Make sure you filled in all of the notes on your handout for this video. So remember that you should keep in mind that the part of the CELEL paragraph is most important is the links. The reason why is because the links explain how your text evidence support your claim. This is the analysis part of your CELEL paragraph, and that's the reason why it's the most important. This is the criteria for success for your paragraph. So you get 1 point for each of the following domains. So the claim should identify at least 2 reasons how our society is similar and different from the givers. You have to have 2 pieces of text evidence that are properly cited, including the page number, and the evidence should logically relate to your claim. The links that you write should explain how the text evidence you chose supports your claim. They should not repeat information from the claim or the evidence. Lastly, your response should have minimal errors in spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and grammar. You should also make sure, since you are handwriting this paragraph, that you write legibly so that I can read it when I'm grading it. Do you understand the criteria for success? You should complete the Google form to check your understanding, and also make sure that you check your answers after you completed it to clear up any misunderstandings that you may have had. You can find the CFU on the digital agenda where it says CFU in red letters. Thanks, and good luck.